All right, so I'm gonna lightly rinse the cloth top off. I'm gonna put the Chemical Guys convertible top cleaner, works on all convertibles, stain remover, surface cleaner on top afterwards. So let's see how this works. This soap is pretty concentrated, so you don't need to spray a ton on it. I think this is the first bottle I got. I've probably done 4, so maybe about a third or quarter of the bottle. Just get a nice even coating. I think we got a little tear there. All right, so I'm gonna agitate it with a very soft bristle brush. Let me go grab that. Timber says hi. My garage is a mess. I've done back-to-back details. So now I'm just gonna lightly agitate that soap in there. If there was a stain, I would just focus on that stain area, put a little more, spot clean it. But I have found that this stuff works amazing. They also have a protectant that goes with it. So if you wanted to tape it off and give it a nice, waterproofing, that's also available. They're protectant. I get all my products, like the brushes. I mean, they have everything. Detail Garage in Mesa, Arizona. 3 locations. They have a curbside pickup right now. All right, that's it. Let's rinse it off. Not hard. So what I'm going to do after this, I'm going to foam bath it, clay bar it, and then we'll dry it, and we'll come back and do a follow-up and see what the top looks like. We'll be back. All right. I used a interior-exterior natural shine to give it a nice hydrophobic little protection, UV protection, and wiped it down, and it just makes it look nice and deep and black. As you can see, it was pretty faded before. One of my favorite products for this purpose only is the Meguiar's Mast X Clear Plastic Clear Polish. So this is a must if you have a convertible. So shake your product up real good. I'm going to use a shop towel. And I'm just going to polish that in. Go about halfway down. Keep running over a couple sections here. Okay, let's go to the other side. Doesn't really take much to use this product. Just polish that plastic. So I'm gonna go grab another clean towel. Let's buff it off. All right. You can see, just makes it look super clear. I'm gonna take my protectant, go over this plastic real quick. Let's go on the other side. Slow drive-by. All right, more to come. These are my two magic ingredients without, when it's an older top, you're probably not gonna have it on there very long. Convertible top cleaner, the natural shine, interior, exterior. I just put it on a foam applicator. I've used it on vinyl tops and used it on also the convertible tops. Just brings back that deep dark black. Put some UV protectant on it. Detail Garage, Mesa, Arizona, chemical guys. Check them out.